How to fix Steam Error Code E84. So let me head over to one of the article which is gonna guide you with a step-by-step process on how you can fix this issue. So this is one of the article which is gonna help you out. So the very first thing you wanna do is to perform some preliminary checks. Restart the Steam client and your device. Delete the temporary files from your Windows device, as it often fixes sign-in issues in third-party apps and clients. If the VPN is enabled on your device, you simply have to turn it off. And then check that your system lock is displaying the correct time. Once done, now the next step is to log out of your Steam account on other devices. Even though using the same Steam account on multiple devices is not forbidden, but doing so often leads to sign-in error. If your Steam account is currently logged in on other device, log out of your Steam account from all of them. After that, open the Steam client again and see if you can sign in successfully this time. Once done, now the next step you want to try doing is reset your account password. Some users in a Steam community thread have mentioned that they have successfully fixed the issue by simply resetting their password. Therefore, you should also reset your account password. Once the password has been reset, the next thing you want to do is add or remove launch parameters. Adding the launch parameters on Steam can also resolve the issue. In order to do so, right-click on Steam shortcut icon and then select Properties. Then go to the Shortcut tab in the Steam Properties windows. To modify the target field, click at its end, add a space, and then type No React Login. Once done, click on Apply and then hit OK. After that, you will be good to go. So that's all for today, and these are some of the steps you can try it out in order to fix the issue. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.